back to my YouTube channel. In case you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Sophia. Please kindly click on that subscription button and the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. So yeah, I'm so excited. My baby is 6 months old and I pretty much want to start weaning him. So I've gotten some of our items like his plates. I'm just pretty much getting prepared. So far, I have tried to give him water. He has refused to take water. But some people said when I'm eating, I should be rubbing it in his mouth and all. I think that is working a bit. When I'm eating, he's showing this eagerness like, oh, I want to eat. So I'm just going to show you some of the things getting ready. I've gotten fruits. I'm going to be preparing puree, pap, and veggies for him. So no sugar, no honey, no, you get additives and all. So yeah, enjoy the video. It's not going to be a long video, so stay there and watch till the end, okay? So I don't know, I like preparing, or should I say I like getting ready before it's 6 months already. So I just decided to get fully ready so I won't be thinking of, oh, what does he need to eat this morning, what should he have? But now he's still, because I did exclusive, he still wants to be taking breast milk, like always. Sorry, I'm looking like this. I just decided to make a quick video. Yes. So I just decided to go and get some stuff. So yeah, this is it. So this is his hidden cutlery. This is a spoon and a fork. It looks tiny, yeah, but he can pretty much start with this. I think this will also help him to learn fast on how to feed himself. Then I have cup to color. So in case I am making one and making another thing. Then I have this cute water bottle. It has a straw. Then I have this storage plate. In case I make my broccoli, my vegetable or whatever and it's excess, I can save it for later or for the next day in the fridge or freezer, whatever. So I got this very cute mashing mortar for him. So for now, I don't have a very tiny blender in my house for my puree, for making puree and blending all of that, but I'm going to buy that. The lady I want to buy from says she doesn't have it yet, so when she have, I'll buy. So I just quickly picked this off so I can use this to mash potato or mash whatever I need to mash. I just love it because it's so cute. I have something like this, but this one is for the house. I used to mash pepper, ginger. I don't want to use general stuff for my baby, so no. Yes. So I got flask. So this flask is flax. You know, we're just going to start taking pap. So I'll just do pap and put here. So I'm going to make a meal plan for him. So maybe morning pap, afternoon veggies, and maybe he'll be eating 3 hours or 4 hours depending on how I want to plan or how much he eats. So I'm going to make pap here. Maybe he takes pap in the morning, afternoon I'll give him probably veggies and fruits. The night we'll take pap again or something else. So yeah, so I also got this plate, this rainbow plate. I got it from Big Claire Kitties on Instagram. So this is going to stick on the surface. I don't know what's supposed to, but it sticks on the surface just because I want him to start learning how to. I know he's still very young, but yeah, he's going to use this till he's like 2 or 3. So it has different section and the suction plate, so it sticks to the table. And I also got a beep for him. This beep is, you know, now we tie it around his neck, so even if the food is falling down, it will be falling into the beep. The plastic beep is washable. Then I also got a mat, a table mat, so even if it gets messy, it will just stain this and I'll wash it because it's washable. And there is also a bowl for our liquids, our purees and our paps and all of that. So yes, so now to the food aspect. So that's like our feeding property, like the plate and all. I don't know what to do for that. So I got this. So this is like soya beans and unripe plantain, date fruits and guinea corn. So this is like a pap that is mixed with so many things. It has been roasted and made specially for my baby. So it has yellow corn, it has soya beans, it has millet, it has groundnuts, it has cashew nuts, unripe plantain and dates. So you can tell that this is packed with nuts. So this is protein, like it has a lot of protein. So I think it's a yes for me, you get, because he has to be eating healthy, you get. I just don't want to be thinking of, oh, what do I want to do, what I want to do. So if I make this, it's going to be in form of a pap. So yeah, So this is my normal pap I made. This is just pap. It doesn't have those soya beans, and also this just you know now, guinea corn, and this is the normal guinea corn and corn pap. So yeah, I did that. So this is the formula I'll be using for him after meal. He doesn't really take, we've not really started the formula thing. We are still heavy on breast milk. Even as we're feeding, we're still going to be taking, so those interval times, like let's say we have breakfast by 9 a.m. from that, after that 9 a.m. till maybe 2, or whenever I'll have lunch, he's going to be breastfeeding. So he's going to be taking breast milk. So I bought broccoli. So you know, most of his food now are going to be in liquid form. So I brought broccoli. I'm just going to, broccoli and cauliflower. So I'm just going to probably boil and blend, and just so he'll be eating veggies. So yeah, broccoli down. So I got cherry too. I had to cover up. So straight to our food. So that was like our utensils, or what we're going to be using to feed. I guess. So this pap is guinea corn and millet. I made it myself. It's iced, that's why I'm holding it like this. So this one was recommended for me by a friend. So this has yellow corn, soya beans, guinea corn, millet, groundnuts, cashew nuts, unripe plantain, and date fruit. So this is made in form of a pap. So you see, if I don't do the normal plain pap, I can also make this. This is very healthy for me. It has cashew, it has nuts, you get, so it contains protein. So yeah, we're going to be using it to substitute. I picked it off the shelf in Next Cash and Carry. So yeah. So I also, so before I forgot something, I bought this pacifier. It also has, so yeah, the pacifier has this part where you can just put fruit and the baby will suck from here. So fruity pacifier, yeah. So I have this pacifier. I also have this spoon for feeding him myself. You know, this other spoon, he can use it himself, and sometimes he uses it to teeth. He just doesn't, because he has started teething. So yeah, so this pacifier, I bought cherry, so he can just put this, I put this, like I peel the back and put it here, and he sucks it from the pacifier. So that way we eat fruit. And also I bought cauliflower and broccoli. Some of you might be thinking, oh, it's 6 months old, why am I buying cauliflower and broccoli? I'm going to take you around this process so you see somehow how I prepare it, or how I'm going to prepare it. So I might just boil and blend this for him, because now he can't take solid or liquid, puree, and all of that and pap. So yeah, so we're taking fruits, veggies, and pap just to stay healthy. And just like I said earlier, we are still very much taking breast milk. It's almost like we're not even done with the exclusive, because he always wants to take breast milk. But yeah, so I got avocado. I have many here, but yeah, avocado. I'm going to mash this with, of course, a cute masher and give him to eat one of these days. I got this, so this can work for this. So I'll give him to take the blueberries. Yeah, so yeah. I also got strawberries. For the strawberry, I'll just parboil and blend, so you can have it, or I can still, yeah. So I got bananas. For the bananas, I've tried giving him banana once and he liked it, so I just regularly, anytime I go out, I just get it, and he uses this to, I tried it yesterday and it was great. So bananas, yes. But for this other fruit, is our first time, so that's why we're going to always be trying this. So anytime his teeth is itching, or I discover he's drawing much or whatever, or scratching, he's trying to suck his hand, I'll just put any fruit in this and give him to lash on. So I got apple. I'm going to be making apple puree and all of that. And finally, for our pap, I'm going to also be using oats. Sorry, but I'm also going to be making oatmeal. So yeah, I've turned it into a bowl. So the only thing for me to do now is I'll blend it into powdered form, and we're going to be taking oats. So yes, we're ready for, I'm ready to start weaning my baby. I don't know how I'm feeling, but yeah, I don't know what to say, but yeah, I'm just grateful for this stage. I'm starting this new year with, I've just been thinking, hey, what will I feed this boy? Hey, well, my baby will soon start eating. Will he be swallowing it? But like me, yeah, but now I got it all sorted out. I just like how I planned it. So the next thing for me to do, I'll just sit down and make a proper meal plan for him. And if any other meal comes or fruit comes to my mind, I'll just fix it into the meal plan. And yes, we'll get going from now to whenever we're grown to start taking solid. You also have suggestion for me, and you can also tell me what was it like weaning your baby, what you think worked and all. You can tell me. I'm a new mom, so yes, I'm open to your opinions and what is it you have to say. So yeah, I'm in the comment section. See you in the comment section. Let's see, how did you feel when you were about to start weaning your baby? What do you think you had to do in getting his stuffs and all? So yeah, guys, thank you for watching to this point. I know I said it was a short video and it seems it's a long video. I am sorry. Thank you for watching to this point. Please don't forget to click on the subscription button, the post notification button, and the thumbs up button, just so you get notified whenever I post a new video. You subscribing to my channel helps me a lot, and it's also motivating me somehow. Not somehow, it motivates me, like, okay, someone is watching, I should do something. So I just woke up this morning, and when I was arranging this, I said, no, I should film. I should show someone. I know it will be helpful to someone out there who has a 6-month-old, or whose baby is about to be 6 months, or who is about to start this journey just like me. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Maybe I'll be well dressed then. Yeah, bye.